Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this simple yet delicious coconut puff puff recipe with you all. It's very easy to put together, and trust me, you are definitely going to love this puff puff recipe. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Now let's get started. Alright, so to start with, I'll start by activating my yeast. So to a bowl, I'll go in with my active dry yeast. I'll also go in with some sugar. Next, I'll also go in with some warm water. Mix it all together and cover it and allow it to brew very well. Alright, this will ensure that we have a very active yeast. If not, when we add it straight to the flour, you might not love the end results, and we don't want that at all, right? So always make sure to activate your yeast if you are not sure of the activeness of the yeast. And also, for the main important ingredients for this recipe is dry coconut, and I'm going to be using the whole of this coconut except the shell. So now let's break the shell and proceed to the next stage. And I nearly throw out all the coconut water away. Can you imagine? But yeah, we move. All right, so to a bowl, I'll go in with my all-purpose flour. Moving forward, I'll also go in with my sugar as well. Next, I'll go in with my salt to taste. And to give the puff puff extra flavor and taste, I'll be going in with some vanilla essence and also nutmeg. You can also omit the nutmeg and the vanilla essence if you don't have. Moving forward, I'll go in with my coconut water. I will mix all together, and at this point it is time for me to go in with my active dry yeast. And as you can see, I have a little bit of bubbles in there, indicating that the yeast really did a good job. Alright, so next I will stir everything together and be sure all the ingredients incorporate very well before you go in with water. Right, so next, after mixing the dough, I'll go in with my water, and be sure also to go in with the water little by little so that you get the perfect consistency that you want. It's always advisable to go in with the water if you don't want to make a mistake making your puff puff. All right, so now let's mix until we achieve the perfect consistency. While that is going on, let me also remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't done that yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after mixing the dough, I'll go ahead and grate my coconuts just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. It's always advisable to use the matured coconut for this recipe, and I'm going to be using about 1 cup of coconut flakes. All right, so after mixing the dough just like this, I realized the consistency was a little bit hard, so I needed to go in with extra water. Then I'll go in with my coconut flakes and I'll stir everything together. And once that is done, I'll cover the dough and keep it in a warm place for approximately 30 to 1 hour for the dough to brew very well. And at this point, this is the perfect consistency that I'm going for. It's just perfect and ready. So whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to also thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. If you haven't given this video a like, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget as well to share this video to reach wider audience. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after resting the dough for about 40 minutes, it is ready. As you can see, I have a little bit of bubbles in there, indicating that the dough has really proven very well. All right, so now let's whisk or stir a little bit to reduce the air in it. And this is how I'm going to drop my puff puff. As usual, I'm going to be using the catch and throw method, which always makes my puff puff very smooth and very presentable. So now all that is left is for us to heat up some oil. Make sure the oil gets a little bit hot, not too hot, because we don't want our puff puff to fry easily. We really want to achieve the perfect and golden brown color that we're looking for. So now the oil is hot, so I'll be dropping in the puff puff just the way you're seeing it on the screens right now. And as soon as you drop in the puff puff, reduce the flame to low medium heat so that your puff puff will fry very beautifully. All right, so now let's fry until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. Alright, so after frying the puff puff on low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, just look at how golden it turned out. It turned out so good and perfect. So at this point it is ready, so I remove it and place it on a paper towel so that it will absorb the oil on the puff puff a little bit. And afterwards I'll repeat the same process until all the puff puff is nice and ready. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this coconut puff puff recipe. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, and I will be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.